of your body is water. And when you're born, 80% of your birth weight is also water. And that's according to MayoClinic.com. And also, as most of us know, the earth is made up 70% of water. So obviously water is a pretty important substance since it's so huge in our bodies and in this world. In this speech, I will cover why your body needs water, what happens when you do and do not supply this need, and how and why you should satisfy this need. Water is the most reliable and natural resource on this earth and is in great supply. And I am here to convince you why and how you should take advantage of this supply. 70% of your body is water, so your body needs water to function. And I have this slide, and you can see how much of your body is made up of water, especially in the brain and heart, where 80 to 85% of your brain is water, and 75 to 80% of your heart is water. And obviously those are two very important organs you need to live. And I got that picture from Rochester.edu. When we lose just 2 to 3% of the water weight in our body, it can immediately start to affect us, as according to urmc.rochester.edu. And we lose 2.5 liters of water a day in everything we do, all the simple activities. Water also regulates body temperature, protects organs and tissues, lubricates joints, protects organs, carries nutrients throughout your body and dissolves these nutrients. And here you can see other different functions. And only water many times is able to do this for your body. And that picture is from MayoClinic.com. You've probably heard to drink 8 glasses of water a day, but considering you lose 2.5 liters of water by all the simple activities you do simply from breathing, going to the bathrooms, and mostly staying still, MayoClinic.com, along with CDC.gov, suggests drinking more than that. And there really is no set amount, but you need to drink plenty of water for your body to be able to function. When you do not supply this need, dehydration comes into play. And according to National Library of Medicine, dehydration means your body does not have as much water as it should. And this immediately starts to affect you and how you function. We lose water in everything we do, so we need to drink plenty of it, and there are plenty of benefits that come along with it. Other than just health-wise, productivity and beauty come into play, because water is proven to help with weight loss, as according to lifehack.org, because many times when you feel hungry, your stomach is just actually empty. And if you drink a glass of water, you're able to fill yourself up, and this cuts calories because water doesn't have any calories in it. Also, water hydrates the skin and is able to reduce signs of aging and blemishing, and also prevents them. Things such as wrinkles, sunspots, acne. Water is able to nourish your skin and hydrate your skin and bring the nutrients from the foods you eat up to your skin, and this is able to help your skin. Now, there's also water obtained in pop and food and most of what we eat and drink, but the chemicals, sugars, and caffeine, and these other things can overpower the water and doesn't let water able to carry out the full functions of what it should, as according to CDC.gov. Also, when you go to a restaurant and get a meal, you're most likely to order something to drink with it. When you look at it, foodservice.com says there's an average cost of $2 per order of any drink such as pop, lemonade, tea. And that's $2 an order you can save every time you go to a restaurant. So your body needs water, and it's an easy substance to obtain. And there are many benefits that come with drinking water. Water has a huge supply, and our bodies need it to function. And we lose 2.5 liters of water a day from simply staying still. And if we do not replace that, it will immediately harm our body, and we are not able to carry on as we should. We need water water to function, and our body, mind, and organs need water in order to go on with life. My last slide is a picture of a dehydrated versus hydrated person, and obviously, it's obvious which is which. But when you're dehydrated, it affects you, it can even kill you. And if you don't immediately fix that. Water is something we all need to function. And water is a substance that is very easy to attain. Water comes at a low cost and brings many benefits with it. And water is one of the best things you can do for your body, and I encourage you to take advantage of this substance today. Thank you.